Intertools is the first value comparison site. In today's video, we have the Bosch heat gun. Links in the description below. Let's get into today's video. The EasyHeat 500 is a DIY heat gun with a compact design for ease of use and storage. It has two temperature settings providing either 300 degrees or 500 degrees and two airflow settings. An anti-slip rubberized base enables the tool to be stood up on a work surface for 90 degree stationary use. The tool also has a large ergonomic grip zone for comfortable handling. The EasyHeat 500 is compatible with a range of nozzles available separately, which can increase its versatility in specific applications. The specifications include the following. The input power is 1600 watts, the voltage is 240, it has temperature of 300 degrees and 500 degrees, the airflow is 240 or 450 litres per minute, the temperature settings is 2 and the net weight is 0.47 kg. Founded in 1898, Bosch opened its first international office in central London. Every one of Bosch's Group's business sectors has a presence in the UK: mobility solutions, consumer goods, energy, building technology and industrial technology. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.